Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. He rocks in his treehouse all day long, rocking and bopping and singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robins go. What do you got there, bugs? Bug. You stepping on the bug? Did you get him? Did you get him? Hurry, run, run! That. Oh no, Karin, we don't pick the garden. Karin, look at Daddy. What happens when we water the garden? Jesus makes it grow, huh? Karin, we don't pick from the garden though. Just touch. Nice. Don't pull. Nice?
Nice.
Nice plants? What is that, corn? Smell the flowers. All right, now get out of there then.